This is the new office. So I just bought this office building on Friday. Today is Saturday, so I bought it yesterday. It needs some work, it's a little bit outdated, but I think I'm gonna move my office in here. I'll have a lot more space. So on the outside, there's some damage on the stucco out here, so we're gonna fix that. There's damage over here in the parking lot, so we're gonna have to fix all that. I'm gonna cut all the trees near the building, so it's some extra space. We're gonna paint it, make it look brand new and fresh. And then there's 2 broken windows that we're gonna fix. But it's a lot of parking here, and it's a really cool space. It's a great location, better than my current location. I'll have about 16 offices here. So let's walk in. I'm gonna get rid of all this wallpaper. I'm gonna paint the whole place. Everything will be, all the flooring's gonna come out. We're gonna put all new, nice LVP in. We're gonna paint. Everything's gonna be stone, granite, quartz. Just check in here. Let's come on in. These are solid metal doors in the whole building, which is kind of cool. So of course we have our little check-in area here. We're gonna make this very nice. We have 2 bathrooms on the first floor and 2 bathrooms on the second floor. They're super outdated. These are gonna be totally gutted, all new tile, all new everything. Toilet, sink. It's gonna look really nice. So that one and this one, same thing. Just a whole bunch of offices. We just got to let's take all these shelves out. We're not gonna need them. Just keep it a wall. There's just a little storage area. I'm gonna turn this into a really nice kitchen. So this was their break room before. There was a sink and they had a refrigerator. But I'm gonna turn this into a full kitchen where there's stove, dishwasher, nice refrigerator, and this is gonna be a break room area. So this will be a nice break room. We have this area here that's kind of open. What I'm probably gonna do is make another office right here. And then this area, I'm probably gonna take this wall out and make this room and this room one big conference room, so we could have meetings and have, a couple dozen people in the room and go through stuff. So these 2 will probably be one big thing. Now, the window treatments here is also kind of old and outdated, so I'm gonna take all the window treatments out. We're gonna put some nice new ones. It's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna put all new knobs on all the doors with new locks. All right, come on upstairs. Upstairs, there's even more space. What I'm probably gonna do is, this is kind of like a weird extra empty space. I'm probably gonna build a wall here and make this office just that much bigger. I also have a bigger office than just space that I don't think anyone would ever use. The first thing we gotta do is get a dumpster out here and throw away all the stuff in here. This office is locked. I'll break in this one later, but this was actually the penthouse office, so that means it was the nicest office. This was the owner of the building. This person actually died in the last couple of years. I actually bought a lot of property from him when he was alive, and I actually bought some property from him once, from his son once he died. This I actually did not buy from him. I bought this from someone that he sold it to. There's 8 offices up here, a little check-in area here where people could sit and wait for people. So that's kind of cool. These offices are nice. Check these offices out. Again, I'm gonna get all new blinds because these are just all outdated. But look at the light that comes in and how big the windows are. It's nice. You see nature, relaxing. I like it. And then of course we've got 2 bathrooms up here. Again, super outdated. They're all gonna be gutted and brand new. So this is the new office. Give me like a month or 2 and everything's gonna be brand new. It's gonna be super nice. And this is where we're gonna start making videos. This is where we're gonna start hanging out. This is where the money's gonna be made. Upstairs got its own entrance, and we're gonna have to fix a lot of this because this is also kind of breaking and peeling. As you see, there's stairs. People can come up. This is where we're gonna be. Looks like they fixed a lot of the stucco, or they're in the process of fixing a lot of the stucco. I'm actually changed something last minute here. They're gonna make this a wall right here. And they're gonna make this a wall and take this wall out. So this will be one big office. Looks a little different. This one's already framed in for the conference room. This is gonna be our new conference room here. It's all framed out. Move all the wires. We gotta put electrical on all the walls here. This another office here. And this is the kitchen. Hey Nick, this is gonna be our kitchen here. So this is, it's gonna have Sink, dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, and then this will be like a break room. Yeah. Yeah, and refrigerator. And then here's office. So I'm gonna have this office right when you walk in. It's gonna be huge though, because it's gonna be the size of both these. Yeah. So I bought this building a few months ago, and it needed a full renovation. We spent almost 2 months fully renovating it, so everything's brand new. I just moved in here a few weeks ago. So let's check out the difference of what it looked like before to what it looks like now. As you see, the whole outside is painted. Welcome in. So as you see, we got new floors in the whole place. We got this nice LVP gray color. Now everything's black and white. And then I themed everything, the Atlanta theme. So these are all like Atlanta landmarks. This is where we're at right now in Sandy Springs. All kinds of Atlanta cool stuff. We have got 4 offices down here. This is my office. So my office is ready. We got all the pictures hung up, all the different businesses I had or have now. Tinted all the windows so you can't see in. Got really good tint. You can see out, but you can't see in. Just built this bookshelf here so I could store all my checkbooks and other miscellaneous stuff. Of course, my office and my file cabinets. So this is where I'm at all the time. I sit here, work here, and make a lot of money doing deals. All right, so let's go check out the rest of the office. Come on. Here's office number 2. No one's in there right now. Then we got our nice conference room. Of course, this is the candy from all the different closing attorneys. If you ever see these bowls low, that means either I haven't been closing that much lately, or we got a bunch of fat asses in the office. But I try to keep them nice and stocked. Nice windows here. We got a vibe board right here and a printer for everyone to share. Got a few closets, IT closets, and HVAC. Got office number 3. This is my assistant Karen's office. She's out running some errands right now. Then we've got our kitchen here. So it's a full kitchen, place for everyone to sit, eat. We got the nice refrigerator, oven, sink, and everything else, so we can prepare whatever we want. Again, every office has these nice big windows. Looks really cool. Go check out the rest. Office number 4, got NIN, handles all of the underwriting, loans, looking at properties.
What do you want to say? Yep. This is my office.
And then of course on the first level we got the females bathroom, and we got the men's bathroom. All right, let's go upstairs. Of course, everything's nice and painted. Nice big window view when you come up. Something to point out is we have LED lights in this whole building, in every office, and every single hallway. And we've got cameras everywhere. So no matter where you are at, we're going to see you from the outside, from the inside, every single angle. So we have 4 offices downstairs with 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a nice conference room. Upstairs, we just got 8 offices. So first office upstairs. This is where we'll make some videos. Put a nice little accent wall. And this is where the social media room is. All right. On this side, we've got 2 bathrooms here again, nice and renovated. This is a little sitting area for people if they come up and want to hang out. Again, we got another printer copy here that everyone could use. Couch here for people. Office number 5. This is, whose office is this? I forgot whose office this is, but someone just claimed this office. We've got office 6. This is Nick's office. He's my partner in the tree company. So this is where he works when he's in town. It's got a big whiteboard up here and put blinds in because the sun comes in a lot right over here. Suite 7. This is where Keegley is going to run their office out of. Oh, the empty office over there was for Dennis Lyons, who is the Dispo wholesaler we use with Keegley. Office number 9. This is Sam's office. He helps us get a lot of properties. He's in charge of some acquisitions. We've got a nice little office here. Then we've got office number 10, Mona's office, and Mona's here today. She has her nice little workout area here, and she helps us get properties and really do a whole lot of other things. You've already seen office 11, that was our social media office, and then of course office 12 is Alexis's office. She's always acting like she's busy. Like I can hear her on the phone right now. So.
I have some people who are non-investors who are scheduling calls with me.
There you go. We got Six Flags of Georgia. We got the Brave Stadium. We got the Battery. We got the soccer field. We got Mercedes-Benz where the Falcons play. Lenox Square Mall. Again, this is the Battery where the Braves play. Lots of other cool Atlanta pictures. Stone Mountain, all kinds of other stuff. So that's it. You saw the beginning when it looked like crap. You saw the middle when we were halfway done. And now you see the office when it's completely finished. So I will plan on being here for many, many years, and we have a lot of extra offices to grow into. It'll be a very fun journey. All right, so we're on our way to lunch today, and the reason why we picked this place is actually 20 minutes from the office, so I never really go more than a few minutes away. But Kaleby, the guy filming this right now, I took him to a spot and he got a turkey sandwich, and it was his favorite turkey sandwich he ever had because it's actually real turkey. It's not like these cold cut things. So that's where you probably saw in another video where we went to OK Cafe. He ate over there at OK Cafe, and it was a regular turkey sandwich. So he told me he took his girlfriend there, well, his wife there now, over the weekend because he wanted her to taste the best turkey sandwich in Atlanta. And I was like, you know what? There's another place I've been to that's pretty much comparable that has real turkey as well. He's like, really? Let's go. So I was like, okay, cool. So we're going there. It's actually a big chain. There's only one location in Georgia. It happens to be in Kennesaw, where we're about to be. But like in Vegas, there's probably like 60 locations, and there's plenty of other states where there's lots of locations. So maybe they're gonna grow here, but we're gonna test this out and see if Kaleby thinks this sandwich is as good, better, or not as good as OK Cafe as far as turkey sandwiches go. So I think they're pretty comparable and about the same. I might even like this one a little bit better just because there's more options. But we're about to pull in, and when we walk in, we're gonna order, and we'll show you what we get, and we'll tell you how it tastes. How is it? It's better? I said because they have more options, like if you like. So we are here with Mitten, Kaleby, and my boy Shema. Shema
Hi guys.
used to do all the filming for me, but he got too cool, blew up, and now he's making 100 times more money. So there you go. He's like the number one requested person people want to do their videos now.
That's how we have Kaleby.
All right, we're off to our next stop. So I have bad luck with tires for some reason on my Teslas. I had a nail in my car the other day, completely destroyed my brand new tire that I bought a month before. So Tesla came out and gave me a loaner tire. Now my regular tire is ready, so I'm going to their shop and they're gonna put a new tire back on my car. So that's where we're headed to right now. Get this loaner tire off, give it back, and get my regular tire back on. So first off, how did we meet?
We met so we were at the conference that your cousin or your
Roswell Garden,
uncle, yeah,
sub 2 event.
and then Alexis spoke. We talked to Alexis, and then the next day the following day we came to your office.
Yeah,
That Alexis was working.
and that was a real estate event. So you did some real estate deals with us.
Yeah, we did 3 deals.
You did 3 deals with us. You made how much money on those 3 deals?
25,000.
You made 25,000. You kept going. You're like, you know what? I think I might have found a way to make even more money.
Right.
What makes more money than real estate?
Amazon. So
Amazon.
right now, yeah, Amazon. We've done 100,000.
100,000 Amazon.
3 months, and that's on
3 months.
That's only on 10 different listings too.
And how old are you?
I'm about to turn 18 in 6 days. So we started real estate when we were 16.
Yeah. So how old were you when you met me?
16.
16.
Yeah.
Damn, it's been that long already.
It's been that long.
Wow.
I know.
All right, so we're gonna make some millions of dollars.
We're gonna
together.
make some millions of dollars.
Yeah. So.
Millions and millions.
Millions and millions
Yeah.
and millions and millions.
Yeah. So check that out in a video in a few months from now, and we'll update you. So there's a few keys. I only got one on my keychain, and people want that key, so I can't give it to them unless I make more copies, or else I won't have an extra key if I ever need it. So that's what we're doing right now. I need a bunch of keys. Whatever. I'll figure it out once it comes.
What do you think was the biggest lesson you learned when you were like 16, 17 that made you make so much money?
Just go and do it. Figure it out. Like if you can have someone help you and teach you stuff, of course do that. But just be aggressive and be fast and be first. Being aggressive, fast, first, and just working your ass off. That's how I started. Like if you don't really want it, you're not gonna try hard enough. The best people in jiu-jitsu are the ones that train the hardest, that really want it, and dedicate their time and spend all their time doing it. Like they're like, if you say 3-4 days a week, they're like, no, how many times a day? Not how many times a week. Like I'm there 3-4 days a day, 3-4 times a day doing it. That's why they're world champions. They really want it. We could do it, but we don't want it bad enough. You don't want it that bad.
Yeah.
That's why.
That's why.
Took forever waiting for that fucking guy to make the keys. Holy, it's getting dark outside now. What time is it? Let's see. 6:03. We got 30 minutes and then we're gonna be headed to jiu-jitsu. So we're here at jiu-jitsu. I've been here for a little bit. We got about 35 more minutes left. Got a bunch of rolls in. Got a lot more to go. We're gonna roll with this camera guy, kick his ass, show him what's up. A few other people in here. Anyhow, it's the best part of the day. Let's go.